You can join us, guys, every one of you. You can go down and dance with our team here. You are all welcome. We have our joy and we're celebrating because the kingdom of God is righteousness, joy, and peace. We want to share to you the joy that comes from heaven. It's because Jesus Christ, every single one of us here, were forgiven and our life was changed because of Jesus. Jesus at the cross of Calvary, He paid the price of your sin and my sin. That's why we can dance.